Wake up with a grateful heart before the day begins. Every breath's a gift of love, every loss a chance to mend. When the voices start to rise and the tempers fill the room, be the calm in every storm, be the light that breaks the gloom. We don't own a single dawn, we don't keep a setting sun. We're just passing through this life till our race on earth is run. Always be faithful in the joy and pain, be the peacemaker when the fire starts to flame. Stay humble, remember where you're from. We came with nothing and with nothing we are done. Dust we came from, to dust we'll return. So love your neighbor, let compassion burn. Never judge another's road, you ain't the judge, just carry hope. Just carry hope. It's easy just to point a hand, to measure weight, condemn, but mercy builds a better bridge than pride has ever been. Walk softly through another's fight, you don't know their side in tears. Kindness speaks a louder truth than 1,000 shouting fears. We're all equal in the end, no riches can we keep, no crown of gold, no title gold, just the love we chose to read. Always be thankful in the joy and pain, be the peacemaker when the fire starts to flame. Stay humble, remember where you're from. We came with nothing and with nothing we are done. Dust we came from, to dust we'll return. So love your neighbor, let compassion burn. Never judge another's road, you ain't the judge, just carry hope. Just carry hope. Lay your pride down at the door, choose forgiveness more and more. What we give is what